And now for your viewing pleasure, it's Mr. Constant Comments.
That drives you crazy?
Yeah. Yeah, just a little.
Ginger. 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 Hello. Oh, are you sleeping? Yes. Ooh, Gingy. Look at the eggs. Well, we're out of milk this morning, so I'm having eggs on toast.
Okay, do a pattern.
There's Albert's pattern. And here's Katie's guesses. You can't see.
Don't look.
Okay, let her keep going. Oh, we need to score it now. Okay, so how many does she have in the right place?
She's got this one in the right place, and this
I don't
one
think
in the
so.
right place,
Maybe.
and this one in the right
I guess.
place.
Well, we normally have two.
She has three in the right place. She has three in the right.
So she has three in the right place, and are they all the right color?
No, this one.
No, don't point to stuff. Are the ones that are in the right place, are they also the right color?
Like, the green's not the right color.
But the other three are all correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Albert's getting some playtime in today, outside. Because in the next couple days, it's supposed to get down to a low of like 30 below zero here in South Bend. So starting tonight and running through the next couple days, there won't be a lot of playtime outside. So we even cleared off a place where Ginger can go to the bathroom out there. Well, we're taking Christmas stuff down today, and I wanted to get Bob the robot, Bob the Christmas robot on video, because we're not going to keep him.
What?
Well, we thought we'd just recycle him.
No!
Oh.
Mommy, can we keep Bob?
Now we're taking all of our Christmas stuff down today.
Keep Bob! Let's decide who wants to keep him.
That was great.
Two? Okay.
You can keep him in your room. That's fine.
Let's do it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
All right.
I get to keep
Katie, why don't you keep him for a while, and then Albert can have him for a while.
Yeah! She gets 0, I get 100. Daddy, can you get our shovels?
I'll open the door for you. Well, we're getting lots of snow.
No, down there. Alright.
Gingy.
Let's see.
Sunshine. Many miles away in the Caribbean Sea, there was a pipe.
Oh, there's all the snow we have. Well over a foot. Alright, well, that's what we've been doing for the last couple days. It's snowing a lot here tonight, and it's going to be really cold tomorrow. And my office has been closed, so I don't have to go to work. So, we'll see you in another couple days. Bye.
Subscribe!